For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can sign out of YouTube on Android or iPhone. First step, open YouTube on your phone, may it be an Android or an iPhone. When you open YouTube, you'll see that there's no button that will directly log you out of your YouTube account. So, one step you can try is open settings on your phone and then go to General and then look for iPhone storage. This works similarly on Android phones. Just look for storage on settings. Then here, just wait for the page to completely load and then look for YouTube. Once you're here, simply click the offload app button, or on Android it might be clear data or clear cache, which will directly or log you out of your YouTube account. Just wait for a few seconds and then press the reinstall app, and then once you open YouTube, you'll see that you are already logged out of your account. If this does not work, you can go back to YouTube and then press the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. And once you press that button, just press the Manage Your Google Account button, and then you'll see at the bottom part, Manage Accounts on this device, which will allow you to remove certain accounts which will log you out of your YouTube application. And that's basically it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.